Now, the next one is the sales dashboard. So this is the more high level sales dashboard. So using this, you can see things like comparisons from year on year for your customers or for your representatives. So if you want to know how your salespeople are doing over time, then you can see that here. So comparing 22 to 23, for example, for both customers and reps. Now, when you set this, on the bottom right-hand side, you'll be able to see the top performing products and then the sales by customer for your reps as well and for your customers. So you'll be able to see at a high level how your customers have been doing or your reps and then what products they've been purchasing or buying. And then in here, you can see sales by rep over time. And then on the bottom left-hand side, you'll be able to see the total quote value, total number of quotes, sales for the current year, and then number of orders for the current year. So you'll be able to see some totals down there on the bottom left-hand side.